Hey guys, this is Shogun Chat 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So this morning, I just want to share with you the launching of the Foundation to Forex course that is on our website. This is a free course for anyone out there looking to deepen their knowledge, or actually, if you are just a complete beginner, this is for you. And if you have been trading for a while as well and you still feel something is missing, I've done a foundation course that is going to help every trader of any level, okay, depending on what you've been learning before. This doesn't matter actually. This course is going to help you. Just going to go through a little bit about the course. Okay, so basically all you have to do is to sign up. It's free. We have the contents here. Okay, so this course is very simple, and I've I've just made this as simple as possible. It's for everybody. If you like listening to someone talk, if you like reading, if you like watching, everything is there. The part one of this topic is all about introducing you to what forex trading is all about, how the price move, and understanding what actually drives the market in terms of mass psychology. Then the part two will take you into the wave of success that you have. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you will understand that we like to count the wave. And what I've done is I've brought it into this course just to give you the foundation of how to read the market in terms of trend, uptrend, downtrend, what a chart is, the types of charts we use, including time frames, the phases of the market, uptrend, downtrend, secondary trend, and understanding the importance of the secondary trend phase. Then I delve deeper into the wave structure, which is actually one of the key things you will learn. We have videos, we have text, we have videos, we have text, and all these things is definitely gonna help you. You know, I was when I was doing this, someone said to me, "You should be charging £500 for this." I said, "No, no, no, no. This is my gift to you guys, because I believe I learned trading from many people. You know, some charged, some did not, and I feel this is actually my gift to the trading world or the trading community, because I believe you will benefit from this. Okay, then the final part of this course, which is the part three, is all about trading psychology. I call this thinking in probabilities. This is the biggie here. Okay, we have the introduction to trading psychology, taking control of your brain. This is a very nice tool that every aspiring trader must grasp. Okay, and I'm not going to go through. It's there for you to get in, to read through and to digest. This is very powerful, guys, and I'm so excited that we have been able to do this, and for you guys, and I hope to see you guys in there. If you take the course and you still have something that you want to clarify, you can message us through the website, and that's it basically. So this short video is to just introduce you to the foundation course that we've just launched, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. God bless.